Hi everybody, Annie here. Just a small project share today. I was watching Junk Journal Joy, and I believe her name's Jessica. She posted a video about a snippet booklet. And anyway, I wanted to give it a try because I really like the idea of putting all these little goodies in it, and great for like Happy Mail, or if you just want to share with your friends or whatever. And it's definitely a scrap buster too. So anyway, this was mine. Now hers is different than mine. Mine got a little chunky. I'm not sure. Maybe I added some more pages than she did, but I know I have some different ephemera in here than she put in hers, so mine got a little large. But anyway, it was the same concept as far as that went. And on the front and stuff, I just put a few of the... there's a picture, and everything in here I either put removable double-sided tape or pop dots or washi tape. Anyway, it's all removable, so you can use everything in this book, even the copy dyed papers, which is why I decided to do this, because I had a stack of paper laying here where I'd made a journal, and these were offcuts, and they were all the same size, and so I grabbed up some, and they were dyed, and so I thought, well, let's give it a try. And this is what I come up with. And these are just one of my little postcards, and just a little envelope that I made, and just ephemera that I had. And this right here is just a ribbon, and you can reuse it again. It's not glued or stapled or anything. It's what holds it together. I just tied it around the middle, tied a bow in it, and that's all there is to that. And then you just flip it open, and let's see, I may have to back up just a little bit so you can see it all. Just pieces of lace, some little things that I do snippets off of. Love these little flowers, and there's just a little butterfly under here that I cut out. Little envelopes, another piece of fabric. Let's see. Oh yeah, a piece of a letter, and some little piece of flour and a little heart. I mean, just like I said, little snippets that you can use in your journals or whatever. Oh, and this one was just some words I'd cut out, and I put this in with washi tape. A little piece of lace fabric. Just some papers and a little music die, and another piece of little ephemera in here. And you can use the washi tape, you can use the papers over again, the garment pin, the words, everything. And like I said, everything is I did staple one or two, but no big thing about taking staples out. And this one, just some more ephemera, a little stamped image I did, some more ephemera. Just little tags, little piece of lace I had. Some more. These are it's just all ephemera. Just some offcuts I had from a project. Some of those little postage stamps that I was using the other day to make specimen slides with. And I even put some charms and a little clear bag and put some washi tape on them. Let's see. Just a specimen slide here. It was getting a little chunky, so I decided I better stop while I was ahead. And then here's one of the little pieces I made just for, you know, you put it on your junk journal, pocket, or tuck spot, whatever. And like I said, all this stuff is removable, and you can use the papers. They're not cut. They're probably, I think I measured it, and the outside of this book was 4 long and 3 inches wide. So the paper's 3 by 8, 3 by 8.5. Like I said, it was offcuts. And then I put some pictures. And just some more that's a stamped little piece of paper, just some more ephemera right here. And then I did just leave the back kind of plain, but this is a piece of handmade paper right here. So yeah, definitely a nice little piece of paper. And like I said, it's just tied in the middle. I meant to show you that. Yeah, it's just tied in the middle. You can see that, and that's all there is to it. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and you guys might like them. And I'm going to mail this one out to somebody that, you know, does journals and stuff, and maybe they'll enjoy it. And it's a great scrap buster. So anyway, leave me a comment, and I will speak to you guys soon. Bye.